guys, guess what? Oh my god, that was energetic on my knee. Just in the street forever. What's up guys, welcome to another episode in my Honda Shadow project bike vlog. What did we do last week? Last week we did timing. We timed the bike, we checked the timing on the bike. The rear side camshaft was out of alignment, so yeah, it wasn't timed properly. So that is all timed up now. We can't carry on because I didn't have any engine bolts, which I've been needing to get for a few weeks now. And this week I actually have engine bolts. I've gone and collected them. Yay! So we can put those in there. I just kind of grabbed as many bolts as I could. I'll just go through my collection of bolts that I've amassed and then find one that fits and is the right size. I can then check the compression and hopefully everything is okay and the engine runs or the compression is good. If compression is okay, then it's just spark and fuel. That carburetor is going to need some serious cleaning. Yes, I just love carb cleaning so much. It's just if you watch my last series, something that I absolutely love doing with all of my heart, I mean I really enjoy it, is carb cleaning. It's one of those really amazingly boring jobs that just no matter how many times you do it, it's just so like soul draining. So yeah, I don't know why I hate it so much. It's just something that I really don't enjoy doing. I've had to clean Ruffian's carbs maybe about 40 times. So I'm hoping this one's gonna be fun. So yeah, really exciting stuff to come once we've fitted this case on and we can fill it with oil. Everything is how it should be. I measured the lobes on both sides. I also didn't show me opening the this side. I showed the timing, but I didn't show measuring the camshaft lobes and also checking all the clearances and everything in there. But I did do it. I promise you I did. Swear down I did it. I just didn't film it because time constraints, and yeah, it turns a 5-minute job into like an hour's job afterwards, and you gotta edit it and everything. So yeah, no, but everything is how it's supposed to be, I promise. So I'm going to measure the bolts that I need all the way around this way with this long extra skinny screwdriver. I'm just going to push it all the way in until it gets to the end. Then I'll know how long the bolt is that needs to go in there. I'll measure it properly, don't worry. And then check with the bolts that I've got, and hopefully there'll be one for every single one of these holes. It's going to take time, but that's what I'm going to do. What is that smell? Oh my god, what? Ah! There's something moving on it. No. Oh, where are my gloves? Where are my gloves? Oh my god, can you see it? It's disgusting. And oh, there's maggots in it. That is disgusting. I don't know what you're thinking. Oh yeah, so now she wears gloves. No, that's not what happened. I always wear my gloves. It's just that I have to keep taking them on and off. Like physically, it's even here. I have to keep taking them on and off to press play and stop on the phone to record it. Oh, I feel sick. How am I even going to clean that out? It came out of that hole there, which means something's died in there. Oh, ew. Okay, right. We have to clean this out. Where does that hole even go? Well, it can't have been. Oh, it's squishy. Right. Okay. So if it's oh, it's disgusting. Oh, and it smells as well. Oh, what the heck? There's more of them. I feel sick. Okay, physically feeling sick right now. I'm gonna throw that there. Where does that hole even go? I mean, it doesn't look like there's a lot of space in that. I'm gonna have to take this cover off and see what's inside. Oh, why? Okay, here goes. Okay, right, I managed to pick out, this is disgusting, what the heck? Okay, I managed to pick out the lizard and throw it out across the street. Physically, I ran out and threw it across the street, the tiny lizard on the shovel. But there's still like bits. Oh, it's totally freaking me out. There's still like, I'm assuming bits in there because there's still a few maggots still trying to climb out, and oh, there's one on the screwdriver and it's totally freaking me out. I don't know how to clean it out. I was thinking of using the compressor and blowing it out, but then that'll blow all the bits everywhere and it'll probably go on me and I'll just die. But also, I can't put anything big in there to kind of like clean it out because then it'll mess up the thread. I can't mess up the thread. So I can't use anything big and heavy to scrape it out. Like if I do any scraping and it messes up the thread, I need to be able to close this afterwards. This is terrible. I'm laughing, but I'm not laughing inside. I am totally crying. But yeah, I'm just going to carry on with the gloves. I'll use my nose to turn the camera on and off. If I have to, I'll just tap it. I'll just peck the phone with my nose. No way I'm taking gloves off ever again. I almost touched it. Oh my gosh. Cable. And then I'm just going to like flare the edges a bit. I'm not using my nice new wire brush in there because I'll have to throw it away afterwards. Let me just flare up the edge a little bit. My camera's doing some dodgy business. Anyway, right, it's flared a bit too much, but anyway, like that. And I'm gonna put it in and clean it. Oh, help me. Ew. Oh, it's disgusting. So here's the tray of all the bolts that I got. I don't think they're all clutch cover bolts because there's clearly too many. But I just kind of picked up anything that seemed like it would work. So I got clutch cover bolts. I then got other random bolts. I got some clips and some hoses as well. Oh, let me sit back down. I got some hose clamps and some, I think I got fuel line and some water lines as well. Anything that just kind of seemed relevant and that I could use it again. That I can use again, like anything relevant that I'm probably going to need. I just picked up whilst I was there. So now I just need to measure, start from the top. Or even I'll just measure bolt by bolt and whichever one it fits in, it'll go in there.
I don't wanna see you. I don't wanna hear you tonight. I don't wanna fight you. You don't wanna know if I feel alright. I don't wanna just forgive you, I just wanna be fine. I'll be waiting for a sign to light up, yeah. And your heart is out of sight. I just wanna feel mine. Hey you, I'm gonna be the one for another one. Hey you, maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I don't wanna see you, I don't wanna fear you tonight. You don't wanna know me, you just wanna make sure you're right. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another.
So that's a bolt in every single hole. Every single one of these has a bolt in it, alhamdulillah. So now I had to measure every single one of them. Some of them, these ones were a bit too short. And these ones are a bit long. I think these might actually be from inside the engine though. But I did just pick up as many bolts as I could just to make sure that I had enough, which I do. So I guess that plan worked out. So I'm just going to take them all out, clean all the threads as well, just to make sure they're completely clean. Get my gasket seal out, gasket seal it, close it, squeeze it all, just to be on the safe side. I haven't tightened these in, I've just done them one turn each, just to be on the safe side. But obviously they've come out of an engine, but they've been sat for a while. Some of them have got a bit of like dirt in the threads, so I'm going to get my wire brush out. Now I'm going to use my wire brush, my nice wire brush. I'm going to get it out and clean up the threads on each of them, make sure they're all properly clean. I'll go through and clean up the inside of the holes as well. I should have probably done it before, it would have been easier, but I didn't really think about it. I've got a tiny little wire brush and I can use that to get into the holes and clean out the threads as well. On the inside, I'll do all of that. Yeah. Alright, so I was getting ready to close all of this up, and it's becoming apparent that I don't actually have any gasket seal in, so I'm going to have to go and buy some. I think I used it all when I last did, when I was last working on Ruffian. So I've put just the cover back on, left all the bolts in place so nothing can go and die inside any of the holes. I'll be right back. Actually, the next morning, I know it didn't take me that long to do the shopping. It's just when you live as part of a family and your one item expedition suddenly turns into a full shopping list of things that everyone needs. Yeah, and I don't like shopping, so oh, how am I even, I'm genuinely not even, I'm not even joking right now. I'm so freaked out. How am I was just trying to measure bolts. How am I even going to clean it?